y'all. So yeah, in this video I am gonna make a meal that will be perfect if SHTF hits. Okay. So it is a staple meal back home. Well, I know when I was growing up. So first I'm doing cornbread. So let me just go ahead and quickly give you the recipe for the cornbread, even though I am doubling it in this video because I am making 2 pans. So I am literally doubling everything in this video. Alright, so for 1 pan you're gonna need 1 large egg, 1 1/3 cup of milk, 1/4, well just a fourth cup of vegetable oil, and 2 cups of cornmeal. Okay, and then you're gonna need a little bit of oil on the side and just a little bit of cornmeal to dust. Okay, so this recipe, like I say, is something I ate growing up a lot. It is buttermilk and cornbread. Okay, so y'all, with everything that's going on, this is like, you know, a easy meal. It sticks to your gut. Okay, so you're gonna mix all those ingredients together and you're gonna stir it really good. Stir it really good. Right here I am putting a little bit of oil, that little extra oil, in my pans. Okay, and I'm gonna rub it all the way around. It helps with non-stick, with it not sticking. You can use non-stick spray if you want to, but this is the way I do it. Okay, then you're gonna put those pans in the oven until they get hot. Here I took them out just to speed up the video a little bit more. I took them out, they are hot, and I am dusting it with some cornmeal. Okay, that helps. Some people don't do it. This is what I saw my granny do, and so this is what I always do. Okay, so the pans are heated, the oil that was in it is heated, dusted with cornmeal, and now I'm adding my cornbread batter into the pans. Okay, because I'm making cornbread and buttermilk, I don't have to worry about, you know, doing it different ways. Some people are very particular about if they want their cornbread light, if they want their corn brown dark. Cornbread and buttermilk is either or. It is a win-win situation. Do you hear me? So right here I am just spraying it all around, spraying it, and I do go in the corners like you saw me and get that little oil out. That's what I was doing when I was dropping it in the center. Something I saw my granny do. This is the cornbread as it came out, y'all. It is so good. Look at that cornbread, y'all. Look at that cornbread. Do you see it, y'all? Do you see it? Definitely a homestead meal. Okay, so I am cutting it up because on this day this was breakfast. Yes, breakfast. So I am just taking the cornbread, I cut it up in squares. So now I am putting it into the bowls. Look at it. Look at that cornbread, y'all. Look at the cornbread. Okay, if you don't know how to make good cornbread, then oh my goodness, you are missing out. Okay, you're missing out. So I just continue to break it all down into the bowls. Okay, me and the kids love it. Do you hear me? Love it. So all I did was just take my other thing of cornbread and cover it up for the time being. Shake that buttermilk. Shake that buttermilk. I get the whole culture of buttermilk, y'all. And this buttermilk I got buy one get one free, y'all. Okay. And it lasts a long time. February 18th I think is when, or 11 or something like this, when it expire. And you pour as much buttermilk on that thing that you want because it is yours. Okay. So the kids love it, but they don't like as much buttermilk on it as I do. I like mine to be completely soaked. Oh y'all, so it is ready, my buttermilk and cornbread. Yeah. The kids got theirs. Oronde don't eat this. Well, just me and the kids do.
sometimes it be hard to cook because he don't eat half of the stuff I eat, but the kids will. So good. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this. I hope y'all enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one. If this guys will, y'all be safe, okay? Till next time. Bye.